welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through Ontario's most breathtaking destinations. From the awe-inspiring Niagara Falls to the tranquil beauty of Algonquin Provincial Park, we'll explore stunning landscapes, crystal-clear lakes, and hidden gems across this incredible province. Whether you're a nature lover, adventure seeker, or just looking for a peaceful retreat, Ontario has something for everyone. If you love discovering beautiful places and travel inspiration, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Let's explore Ontario together and uncover the best spots this amazing region has to offer. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is one of the world's most iconic waterfalls, offering an awe-inspiring display of nature's power. Visitors can take a boat ride on the Maid of the Mist to experience the falls up close, or explore scenic walkways along the river. The nearby Clifton Hill offers entertainment, restaurants, and attractions. Niagara on the Lake is a picturesque town with wineries and historic landmarks. It's an all-in-one destination for nature, adventure, and relaxation. Algonquin Provincial Park. Spanning over 7,600 square kilometers, Algonquin Park is known for its rugged landscapes, pristine lakes, and dense forests. It's a paradise for outdoor lovers, offering activities like hiking, canoeing, and camping. Wildlife like moose, beavers, and bears are frequently spotted. The park also offers excellent opportunities for stargazing and photography. Algonquin is especially stunning in the fall, with vibrant foliage covering the landscape. Thousand Islands. The Thousand Islands region along the St. Lawrence River is a scenic archipelago made up of over 1,800 islands. Visitors can explore the area via boat tours, which offer stunning views of the islands, historic castles like Bolt Castle, and mansions. The crystal-clear waters make it ideal for boating, fishing, and kayaking. There are also quaint towns and villages to explore along the shoreline. The area is rich in history and natural beauty, making it a unique destination. Bruce Peninsula National Park. This park is home to rugged cliffs, turquoise waters, and incredible natural formations like the Grotto, a stunning sea cave. The park offers some of the best hiking trails in Ontario, including parts of the famous Bruce Trail. Visitors can swim, snorkel, or kayak in the clear waters of Georgian Bay. Flowerpot Island, accessible by boat, is famous for its towering rock pillars. The park is a haven for nature lovers and outdoor adventurers. Tobermory. Tobermory is a charming harbor town located at the tip of the Bruce Peninsula. It's a popular destination for scuba diving, with crystal-clear waters and shipwrecks to explore in Fathom 5 National Marine Park. The town offers glass-bottom boat tours to view underwater wrecks and the stunning scenery of the surrounding islands. Visitors can also take ferries to Flowerpot Island or enjoy hiking along coastal trails. Tobermory is a perfect blend of natural beauty and adventure. Muskoka Lakes. Muskoka is known for its picturesque lakes, luxury cottages, and lush forests, making it a prime spot for summer getaways. Visitors can explore the region's many lakes via boat, kayak, or paddleboard. It's also home to charming small towns like Bracebridge and Gravenhurst, which offer quaint shops and restaurants. Muskoka's serene environment is perfect for relaxing or enjoying outdoor activities like fishing and hiking. It's often referred to as Ontario's cottage country. Toronto Islands. A quick ferry ride from downtown Toronto, the Toronto Islands offer an escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The islands feature sandy beaches, bike paths, and picnic areas, making them perfect for a day trip. Center Island offers family-friendly attractions like an amusement park and gardens. Visitors can rent bikes or kayaks to explore the islands or relax on the beach. The islands provide stunning views of the Toronto skyline, especially at sunset. Elora Gorge. Elora Gorge is a natural wonder located along the Grand River, with towering limestone cliffs and rushing waters. It's a popular destination for hiking, tubing, and ziplining. The scenic trails offer views of the gorge and waterfalls, while the nearby town of Elora boasts a vibrant arts scene and charming heritage buildings. Visitors can also enjoy picnicking or fishing along the riverbanks. The gorge is a mix of natural beauty and small-town charm.